Look at this controller, it should be another kind of non-mainstream one. Look, it's a non-mainstream black 53 game controller. This controller, he said when turned on, flashes a red light, but when I got it I found it had no response at all. Then I charged it. After charging it can be turned on, but after leaving it overnight it behaves like this again. It won't turn on. I feel like there might be a micro short circuit inside, and after a night the battery drains completely. I don't know if that's the case, so let's open it first. Remove 4 screws. Oh, there's only 4 under this sticker. I just peeled it off and saw there were no screws. Let's see if it can be pried open. What are these things here? Why are there keys here? I don't know how to use it. Pry it along the edges. Indeed it can be pried open. Ouch, it's a bit tight. The first time it's really tight and hard to open. Let me pry it open first. Here it's opened like this, such a shape, and... Here it should also be for charging, connected to a ribbon cable. Let's unplug it first. After removing it, the back cover can be taken aside. Next, let's test the battery first, see if there's any power. Indeed, there's no power at all. It looks like there's a real short circuit. Look, let's pull out this battery and test the resistance. After pulling it out, test the battery again. Still no power. Test the resistance here. It's not short-circuited. The battery might be broken. Look, it's not shorted. That's strange. Why is all the power drained? Let me study it. Because the charging cable and this battery's plug are the same, I took advantage of this and unsoldered the cable here, plugged it in and connected power. I found something very abnormal, 280 milliamps currents, and I haven't even turned it on. Look, the light is not on, so there must be a leakage inside. Otherwise, standby current cannot be 280 milliamps. Plus it charges at 800 milliamps, altogether about 1 ampere. So there's a problem on the board. Let's directly remove this board. After removing the board, this thing is amazing. Damn, this. On the board there are several types of buttons. Here's one type, here's one type, here's one type. This of course doesn't count, but it surprisingly uses 3 types. Let's directly power it and feel if there's any heat here. Oh no, after powering it I found this chip is heating up. BP19356. Is this thing easy to buy? Let me research it. BP19356. Damn it, this chip can't be found at all. This marking definitely isn't the chip's marking. Damn, there's no way to fix this. Too bad for them.